Hello viewers, welcome to Fact Engine. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most powerful fighter jets in the world. Countries worldwide have invested heavily in operational jet fighters in the past few decades. And just when we thought they couldn't get any better, new models kept surprising us with their incredible performance. Let's see what are the top 5 most powerful fighter jets in the world. Number 5. The Sukhoi Su-57. Russia's most recent fighter jet, the Su-57, was developed under the PAK-FA program and named as such in 2017. Development started in 2001, and the first flight took place around 2010. 8 years later, in 2018, early models were transported to Syria. They were meant to replace the degrading Su-27 and MiG-29 fighters and directly rival the United States F-22 Raptor, but a severe crash that same year led to concerns about their future production. Although initially promoted as an air fighter, the Sukhoi Su-57 also proved capable of ground attack. It boasts a reduced radar cross-section over the Su-35. Number 4. The Kai Boramae KF-21 Boramae. Developed by South Korea and Indonesia, the KII Boramae KF-21 marks a major milestone in Korean aerospace. It combines advanced AESA radar, stealth features and technology inspired by the F-35 and is thus considered to land between a 4.5th gen and 5th gen fighter jet. Future improvements are in line for the Boramae, including variants with enhanced sensors and standard weapons bays to improve its stealth capabilities. And that's not all. An electronic warfare system is also under development to increase KF-21 combat survivability, aiming to make it a real 5th generation fighter jet. Number 3. Lockheed Martin Raptor F-22. The F-22 was the first 5th generation fighter plane to enter operation and pioneer stealth technology. With constant upgrades from the United States Air Force, the F-22 Raptor remains among the most well-equipped military aircraft worldwide, despite being released over 20 years ago. Its advanced weapons and thrust-vectored engines make it highly effective in close-range dogfights, while the powerful sensors excel in long-range engagements. Number 2. Chengdu Mighty Dragon J-20. In 2017, China unveiled its first 5th generation fighter jet, the Mighty Dragon J-20, which marks a significant advancement for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. With its effective avionics and overall performance, this powerful fighter is designed to compete with the Russian Sukhoi Su-57 and American Lockheed Martin F-22. Despite lacking the thrust-vectored exhausts that have improved maneuverability in its rivals, this Chinese aircraft still boasts a highly acclaimed stealthy design. Also, among the upgrades are stronger engines and a brand new 2-seater variant designed for drone control. This Chinese fighter jet is armed with 2 large internal and 1 side-mounted weapon bays for both long-range and short-range air-to-air missiles, reducing its radar cross-section. Number 1. Lockheed Martin Lightning II F-35. Despite initial development challenges and high costs in 2006, the Lockheed Martin Lightning II F-35 has emerged as the best fighter aircraft in the world. The F-35 introduces cutting-edge features like advanced radars, powerful sensors, the most robust fighter engine available, and exceptional data networking abilities. Its pilots benefit from an augmented reality helmet that boosts their situational awareness. This jet excels in beyond visual range fighting with the help of sensor fusion and all-aspect stealth, but it also performs impressively in traditional dogfights. During its debut red flag drill in 2017, the F-35 achieved a 20-to-1 kill ratio, winning 20 engagements for every loss. This remarkable performance is largely due to its ability to track and pounce on targets from all directions and angles of attack, which made it almost impossible for incoming enemy aircraft to evade. Which one do you like most? Please let us know in the comment section. If you enjoy this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Fact Engine. Thanks for watching.